Welcome back to our mini cook show right here in our very own home, Casa Alas. And today I will be showing you guys how to make our mango barley frap or smoothie. So I'll be running you through the ingredients that we will be using. We will be needing milk, whipped cream, ice, mangoes, and of course my favorite organic barley from JC. Now, I super duper love this barley because it's very good for our digestive system, thereby preventing a bunch of digestive diseases. Plus, it also prevents colon cancer. To add to that, pag iniinom ko siya, feeling ko busog na agad ako. So it also aids in weight loss. Now, it's also rich in calcium, which helps with osteoporosis. So first, I will be starting again with our soft ingredient. I'll be pouring in 1 cup of milk. So this is a measuring cup for 250 ml liquids. I'll be pouring that right in. After pouring in the milk, it's time to put in our barley powder. So I'll just be pouring the sachet in. There we go. Shake, shake, shake. And then after that, I will be proceeding with my mangoes. So I'm trying to make the most out of our Philippine mangoes by incorporating it in some of our smoothies, fraps, also desserts. There we go. I can already smell it, guys. It smells absolutely delicious and it's not even done yet. Lalagyan ko na siya ngayon ng ice. After nyan, I'll cover the bottle already. That's our compact blender. I find this very convenient because in terms of cleaning, mas madali rin siya. So now we're gonna just plug it in. Make sure it's sealed. So again, guys, just shake the bottle. And if you no longer hear the ice, then that's a sign that it's ready to be transferred in a cup and ready to be consumed. We're gonna pour it into our glass. It smells so good. There we go. Now we're gonna put in our whipped cream. Yum! And then I opened up a packet of barley again. You don't have to consume the whole sachet. You can just sprinkle a bit on top. Yum! Now, we are gonna try that again. Wow, super refreshing. Just as delicious as I imagined it to be. Try it out, you guys. So there you guys have it. If you have any more suggestions or recommendations about our next recipe, please just comment down below and we will get to it. And of course, if you guys are wondering, I've been asked several times where to purchase this barley powder. All you have to do is go and visit www.jcshop.ph and key in your organic barley orders. Put in your details as well, and they'll make it so convenient for you because they'll deliver it right to your doorstep. See you guys in our next episode.